Hello everyone, my name is Zishan Akhtar, and in this video I will give you a brief introduction about shorthand and stenography. So from the start we will focus on what is shorthand and what is stenography. So what the first thing what we need to learn is that shorthand is a symbolic language. It's a symbolic language. It is written in signs. As you can see here that the English word the, we write the in English like this, but in shorthand we wrote the like this. At the same time, in English we wrote F this, but in shorthand we wrote F like this. In English we wrote we like this, but in shorthand we wrote we like this. So basically the concept of shorthand was introduced by Isaac Pitman, and he devised this method so that we can write long paragraphs, essays in short period of time in shorthand. As you can see here that the word shorthand, so it's a mixture of two words. The word stenography, the word stenography, it's a mixture of two words. The first word is steno, the second word is graphy. Steno means narrow, while graphy means write or to write. So if we write any word in narrow signs, so it's called stenography. So this is basically a short introduction to shorthand and stenography. I hope that you would like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.